Mr. Jerry and Mrs. Flor de Liza Bunayon. Wala na po. And then next in line we have Mr. Rodrigo and Mrs. Maripaz Salazar. Magbubudots din ito. Ayan, again, let's give it up for Mr. Rodrigo and Mrs. Maripaz Salazar. Budots ni Jay. Okay, thank you so much po. Okay, now let's call in our next ninong and ninang. We have Mr. Glenn Jude Abulsion and Miss Bobby De La Cruz. Mami, budots. DJ, one budots na. Thank you so much po. Next, we have our next ninang and ninang, Mr. Ronimo and Mrs. Theodora Alfiler. Wala na po. Okay? Wala na po itong lahat. Okay. Next na po. Okay, pasensya na po, naligdangan. Pero sabi nga, save the best for last. I believe magbubotos din ito. Let's have our next ninang and ninang, Mr. Miguel and Mrs. Tapalma. Again po. Ayan, thank you so much po, Nina. Nasaan po si Ninong? Wala po. Okay, thank you po. Okay. So we're done with our principal sponsors. Unahin po muna natin ang mga little bridesmaid and little groomsmen. So as I call your name, mga anak, dito lang muna tayo sa unahan na po. So let's call our little bridesmaid and little groomsmen. We have Mona Elish Javier and Leah Rodelias.